Can you really make a smooth, professional looking animation in Canva? Yes, you can. So in Canva, go to video. Here we're going to change the background color. I'm going to drag in an image, remove the background, reposition it. Now I'm going to add some text. I'm going to reposition it and hit animate. I'm going to choose burst. I'm going to change the intensity. And now I'm just going to paste in some graphics I have. I'm going to arrange them like so. Now I'm going to select them all. I'm going to hit animate and select scrapbook and wiggle. Let's see our ideas wiggling. Now I'm just going to duplicate this first slide, so that's Apple D, or right click and duplicate. I'm just going to change the text, and now I'm going to change the position of these elements. And I'm just going to select them all and turn the transparency to 0. Now this is where the magic happens. In between the two slides, I'm going to hit the transition button and then select match and move. And this is what will take them from one position to their finishing position and their finishing transparency. So as you can see here, they are coming into the middle and disappearing. Now I'm going to copy in another graphic, and here is my rocket. So I'm going to place the rocket on top of where the other images come to. I'm going to hit animate and select rise. I'm going to duplicate this slide, and I'm going to move the position right up here and change the transparency down to 0. I'm going to add in the all-important match and move transition again. So this is what's going to make it move and disappear. And let's put it all together. Voila, we have our smooth animation ready to upload to our app or our site.